You ready?
Yes.
All right. Hey guys, it is Megan Elizabeth from By Megan Elizabeth, founder and creator of She Makes Club, and I'm here with my little guy today. What's your name?
Gradyn.
Gradyn. He's not so little anymore. He has been in love with acrylic paint pouring videos, haven't you? It's something we watch together quite a bit, and he's been begging to do a paint pour video ourselves. So yesterday I went and bought some pouring medium, and I have a ton of different acrylic paints that we're going to start by mixing. We want to let the bubbles settle, and then we'll show you our first ever acrylic pour. If it goes well, we're going to add some Cricut cuts and some other things to it later. But yeah, we're going to start by opening up our pouring medium. This is from DecoArt, and I'm just going to pour some in to each one of my cups. We're doing about a 2-to-1 ratio because my paints are a little bit thicker because they're a little bit dried out. So we want to have a good pour, but we don't want to have them too runny that they all swallow each other up and bleed together. So I'm just kind of putting a little bit into each cup, and then Grady's going to help me with the color. We're making the most of the color. What color are we making the most of?
White.
White. Why are we doing that?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? You don't remember?
I forget.
Why do we need most of the color white? Are we going to cover the whole canvas in white first?
Yes.
So that it flows easier? It's more of our flow color, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I'm going to just clean up. Doing this on the table mate is great because it's an easy cleanup polypropylene top, so I don't have to worry about a mess in the house. We're going to do the actual acrylic pouring outside, but we want the bubbles to settle. We don't want dirt and debris and tree seeds to blow into the cup.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to start with the color white, right?
Yes.
So this is the one that has the most in it, so we're going to do a 1-to-1 mixture. So tell me when it looks like about what?
What?
Okay.
Nothing.
We're going to add quite a bit of white.
Okay, like how tall?
So it looks about double in the size. We're using like almost the whole bottle of white is really what we're doing.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay, let's stir this up.
You think I can stir it up too?
Yeah, just gently stir because we don't want to get too many bubbles in it. We want to let it sit out. Good job. All right, let's do, this is charcoal.
Keep mixing it.
Yep, mix it up. This one's really thick. Oof.
Yeah,
I need to add even more medium to that. Let's see.
Definitely want to mix that.
You don't, or you do?
No, I do. I do.
Let's see. Oh, that's cool.
Hey, I want to mix it.
All right. All right, silver. I'm
Mom,
so
is that
excited.
good?
Yeah, let's just leave that sit there for a minute.
I'll start doing this one.
I have
Whoa,
some
that's cool.
metallic silver. This one's not as thick, so let me see. This one, that one has a little bit less than the others. And then we're going to pour them on top of each other. Oh, that's good.
Wait.
So you just, I'm kind of doing this by guess, feel of what I think. If we end up swallowing each other up a little too much, then, you know, we'll add more paint or more medium. But I think based off of what I know, these are pretty good.
I wanted to make it like one color.
Like one color?
Yeah, like I don't want to make it two, like many colors.
And then this is Folk Art Metallic Blue Topaz. So that should be really good. You want to show it closer, cameraman? No, come over here.
Yeah.
Cameraman can come over here.
Yeah.
Cameraman dad. And get a good look at these stirs. So we're just giving them slow, steady, and we'll pop the bubble with my heat gun if we need to, but we're going to try to reduce as much bubbleage as we can by stirring and letting them sit for a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I like that orange. That's going to give a great pop. This is going to be really like sea-like.
Oh, can I do this one?
Yeah, let's see. Let's do this in it because this, at least it's not going to mix orange in. Oh, I love that metallic, dude. That's going to be really cool. All right, go ahead and give this a good stir.
Oh, this is like a teal green. It's like green and teal.
All right, so what we're gonna have to do, this one's gonna need a little bit more pour because I can see it's pretty gel-like. That one's good and runny. That one's good and runny. That one's actually probably too runny, but.
Yeah, sorry about that one.
No, it's not your fault. We can add more paint to it. And this one might need a little bit
more.
That
one looks like it's like crunchy, but also it's soft.
Right, let's just add a little bit more pouring medium to these guys because we just want them to have a nice, like, runny texture.
Okay,
I'm not using very much, but let's see. Yeah, see, that's nice and runny. It's got some drip to it without being too messy. All right, we're gonna let these sit for a minute and then we're gonna pour them all into one single cup.
Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Can I do that?
What does the medium actually do?
It thins out the paint. It makes it so it's more pourable, but it doesn't crackle it. Like if you put in silicone, the silicone will make it like give you more like bubbly cells in it. If you put in water, that gives you a different effect. So different things that you mix into your acrylic paint will give you different looks. But we want it just to kind of smooth pour and it to create its own like natural cells. Yeah. This metallic blue is thick. So this is probably going to be one of our base colors because of how much pouring medium we're going to have to use.
That will be our second color to use.
It'll actually probably be our first color.
Oh.
Our base color. And we'll build everything off of this. Got it?
That should make it cool.
Yeah, I think it will be because it's really metallic. But you can see it's a much thicker. It's not really as drippy. Oof, it almost like it needs water because it needs to drip a little. I'm afraid to add water and mess up the texture that we really want to create. There we go. There's more movement in that, more fluidity. Fluidity.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna grab a cup, we're gonna build our layers, and we're gonna let it sit to kind of pop some of the bubbles. So we're gonna start with,
all spoons need to be out.
Yep.
Oh, that looks so
I'm
cool.
gonna just pour it down the side. All right, what color should we do next, do you think?
Orange. I want to do orange.
Well, we can't do orange. We don't want to do orange right next to the blue because of how it'll bleed together. So do we want to do gray or white or silver?
I want to do silver.
All right, so then we'll do some silver.
Do you think I might be able to pour one in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm probably going to do the dark gray.
Okay, we'll do a little bit of dark gray. This is charcoal.
Charcoal.
And then I want you to pour some white in.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
There's a lot of white in there.
Yeah.
Can I use all of the white in there?
Nope, not yet. We'll need to save some of the white. So go ahead, you pour it down the side. Don't pour it right in. You want to come close?
What do you mean, like?
So we're gonna pour it down the side of the cup. We're not gonna pour it straight in. So this will help reduce bubbles, and it'll layer up the colors better.
Okay.
All right, we can do a little bit of orange. It's okay, this cleans up. That's why we're doing it on this table. So now we'll do some orange.
And then, can I do this color, Mom?
Yep.
Yeah. And I want to do this one by myself.
Let's add silver.
I want to do this one by myself. This one's like really watery.
A little more white.
Okay. This one's like really watery.
They're supposed to be. All right, go ahead and...
Can I like carry it?
Nope, I'm going to hold it sideways, so...
I got it.
All right, go ahead. Okay, that's good. All right, let's do some dark charcoal. And we're just going to keep layering up these different colors.
You're just going to drop them.
It's okay. I'm going to wipe it all clean. That's not a problem. Do you have some on your fingers?
Yeah, just.
Okay, so let's just leave that there for a second. Don't move your fingers anywhere.
More orange.
More orange.
Maybe a lot of orange in here.
We're just creating all the different layers to be able to pour out.
Great. I don't know.
This is the charcoal gray.
Yeah, charcoal gray.
And then we'll do some more teal. Silver. You see how it's all layering up in this cup?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna have the mouse painter. It's gonna need to.
No?
Oh, I guess. Sure. You can do whatever you want.
Well, it's your thing. We'll do a little orange, and then we'll finish it off with white.
Do you think I might be able to have one of the paintings in my room?
Oh, yeah, this will be the one for your room.
Yeah.
All right. Way cool.
Okay.
All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit. You can see some of the bubbles coming to the top. Those bubbles are going to pop, and then we'll pour it all on our canvas and see how it turns out.
Do you think I might be able to pour it on the canvas?
Absolutely, that's what we're going to do. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's clean up. We'll let this sit, and then we'll do the next steps, and we'll show you. All right, it is time to give it a pour. You can see all the bubbles kind of came to the surface. And what we'll do at the very end is we'll pop all the extra bubbles with my heat gun. But Gradyn's gonna go ahead and pour it. This is our first ever pour attempt. So we gotta go nice and slow, and we're gonna keep it right in the middle and see what colors come to life. So you ready?
Basically, I'm supposed to pour it where this little crack is?
Yeah, so I have the cup kind of bent a little bit to make like a spout, and we're gonna pour it all right here, really, really, really slow.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Pick it up. You're making me nervous. I wanna do it, but it's okay. Really slow pour. No, no, no. Okay, this is what I mean. It's okay. So we wanna go really slow. Hold it. Really slow. Slow, slow, slow. There we go.
It's gonna be so cool to actually.
Yeah, we're gonna stretch it out. I don't think we're gonna need any of the white to make it flow because we have enough paint in here and it's a small enough canvas, but just in case we need more flow, we can add more white. We did prime it. Don't go so fast. You keep tilting it too far, bud. All right, hold on a second. We're gonna stretch it. Stretching it just means we're gonna make it move. We'll go really slow because the slower, yep. But the slower you stretch it,
the better it might be.
the more you see come out.
Oh.
So we're just gonna move it, and then we can add a little bit more to it. This is awesome.
Yeah.
Look at all that metallic come out. You can see the cells of the white and the different pieces popping out.
Oh, it's dripping so much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use one.
And then we'll just finish off the edges with a spatula. This is an awesome, like, ocean style painting, dude.
Yeah. Love how the, like, teal is right there and stuff. Teal and white.
So we want to pour just a little bit more over on this side, all right? You ready?
Yep.
So we're just gonna pour it. I'll stretch this way first, and then we'll stretch it back. All the edges. How cool is that? Great job for your first pour, bud. What do you think?
It's awesome. I think it's
Awesome?
Yes.
Now what do you think we're gonna cover it with?
What do you mean by
Do you think we should put like a Cricut cut on it? Do you think we should, what do you think we should do?
I don't know.
I'm just kind of filling in those edges. Definitely use a knife.
Oh.
Yeah, a painting knife, putty knife. That's very cool. Look at all those cells popping out. You can see, like, right here, the blue and the white, you can see the different cells, and then you can really see the different metallics coming through over here. It's way cool. That's awesome, bud.
Cooler than it was in the cup.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
You can see what's left in the cup too. We could even pour a little bit more in there, but I think that's really good. Should we get a little more white over here because of all the white through?
Yeah.
Get a little more white up here in this corner. Just pour it over the edge. And we'll just let it drip off.
Okay. This looks so cool.
stretch it over.
Oh my goodness, there's so many new paint
Mm-hmm.
in the box.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll fix it. So this is just a re-stretch here is all we'll need to do to fix that. Let's just pour it over. There we go. We got nice flow. That orange was a great choice in there, bud.
Yeah.
It almost turns really coral with the, see how it turns like coral in with that blue and then the white?
Yeah.
All really stretches in there.
Good idea.
You did a great thing. You picked great colors. Good job. Great job for your first pour. Should we do more?
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the moments. Grady had a great time doing this pour video. We did end up setting the pouring up on top of some paper cups to let it fully dry. And it took about, just over 24 hours, but we had a great time. We're going to be doing a pour with the leftover paint from this pour. So make sure you subscribe, follow along at bymeganelizabeth.com, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please share. It always helps us out. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.